बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लाइट फॉर ब्लाइंड के मुअज़्ज़ज़ सामीन और नाज़रीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे पीपीएससी का असिस्टेंट बीपीएस 16 का पास्ट पेपर। लेकिन वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले हमारी आपसे गुजारिश है कि हमारे चैनल लाइट फॉर ब्लाइंड को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और साथ लगे बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि बाकायदगी से आपको हमारी वीडियोज़ मिलती रहें। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन: After which incident Sir Syed Ahmad Khan predicted that gulf of differences between Hindus and Muslims of India shall widen with the passage of time? Answer is Urdu Hindi controversy in UP. Question: which word does not belong with the others? Answer is ons. Question: Scotograph is an instrument for. Answer is testing the heartbeat. Question: which is the capital city of Canada? Answer is Ottawa. Question: the Chinese province adjoining Pakistan is. Answer is Xinjiang. Question: 5 by 6 into 2 by 5 is equal to. Answer is 1 by 3. Question: Julius Caesar was a politician and general of. Answer is Italy. Question: pollination by bird is called. Answer is ornithophily. Question: in which city the first WHO Global Conference on Air Pollution and Health held? Answer is Geneva. Question: how many Ansar from Medina embraced Islam in 11th NEVY years? Answer is 6. Question: a table listed at 160 rupees is marked 20% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 128 rupees. Question: which hormone is responsible for production of milk in human body? Answer is prolactin. Question: Saji is a dish originated from which province of Pakistan? Answer is Balochistan. Question: as a part of the Treaty of Versailles that ended World War I, the ILO was created in. Answer is 1919. Question: Sri Lanka was formerly known as. Answer is Ceylon. Question: international organization Human Rights Watch is based in. Answer is New York. Question: who was the first non-Muslim to have won the coveted Sword of Honor at the Pakistan Military Academy Kakul? Answer is Captain Esmond D. Kunha. Question: a train moves past a telegraph post and a bridge 264 meter long in 8 seconds and 20 seconds respectively. What is the speed of the train? Answer is 79.2 kilometers per hour. Question: which range links Pakistan with China? Answer is Karakoram. Question: which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? Answer is Indonesia. Question: in which of the following cities was the first dry port of Pakistan established? Answer is Lahore. Question: which one of the following areas in Pakistan is known for largest iron ore deposits? Answer is Kala Bagh. Question: A toy is sold for 220 rupees. What was the cost if the rate of profit was 10% of the cost? Answer is 200 rupees. Question. The author of the book Time Machine is? Answer is H.G. Wells. Question. Which surah of Holy Quran throws light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animals? Answer is Al-Ma'idah. Question. The best orientation to fit maximum columns on a single sheet for print is dash. Answer is landscape. Question. Pakistan defeated dash to win Cricket World Cup in 1992. Answer is England. Question. A nerve cell is called? Answer is neuron. Question. What is the literal meaning of jihad? Answer is struggle. Question. Which country has built the world's largest air purifier to fight pollution? Answer is China. Question. In the Second Constituent Assembly elected in 1955, the Muslim League formed a coalition government with dash. Answer is United Front. Question. Rabi season begins in? Answer is October to December. Question. Which of these terms refer to the sharpness or clarity of an image? Answer is resolution. Question. About 25 million child marriages has been prevented in the past decade, reported in March 2018 by? Answer is UNICEF. Question. Which country has its land mass in two continents? Answer is Turkey. Question. How many battles of Panipat have there been? Answer is 3. Question. How many tiles of dimension 10 square inch are required to cover a floor of dimension of 5 feet by 4 feet? Answer is 288. Question. Google Plus is another alternative to which of the following website? Answer is Facebook. Question. Khartoum is the capital of? Answer is Sudan. Question. Which street still remind the people of Lahore of the great Delhi of Munshi Mehboob Alam? Answer is Pesa Akhbar Street. Question. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, went to Syria with Hazrat Abu Talib at the age of? Answer is 12 years. Question. Which country has started world's first hydrogen powered train? Answer is Germany. Question. Which of the following continent has no desert? Answer is Europe. Question. The United Nations Security Council has recently lifted sanction against which African country after 9 years? Answer is Eritrea. Question. The compound used in anti-malarial drug is? Answer is chloroquine. Question. Abdul Rahman Chogtai was a famous dash of Pakistan. Answer is painter. Question. Which angel is appointed provided for food? Answer is Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam.